Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. So right now I've been able to do my analysis for the new week. I've been able to spot the few directional biases. I've gone to perfect my market structure analysis and also perfect my liquidity and my order flow. That's speaking of the point of interests and exactly where we're going to be taking in our entries. I've been able to perfect that. The liquidity, which has caused us to be induced many times, I've been able to perfect that. So that means we are not going to be trading this week as many other retail traders at the liquidity. Rather, we're going to be trading at the big players. We're going to be going in from where the big players are going in, and that will help us not to get induced and beat liquidities in this trading week. I want you to get excited about it because we are going to win this week. And also, I've also increased my RR. That one is something I'm so excited about. So watch out, we're going to be catching 1:6, 1:5, 1:3, 1:4 this week. Okay, so it's a week to make money. Let's go to the chart so I show you a few things. This is what the yen basket is showing me. It's giving me a bearish, move from the 1 week time frame, and then from the 24-hour time frame. Let's see. It's giving me a bullish move. Okay, I haven't shifted this structure here, and then on the 4-hour time frame it's giving me a bullish move. Okay, so with this I'm going to be going bearish with AU JPY, GBP JPY, and the rest of all the pairs that trades with the Japanese yens basket, or rather the yens basket. So for GBJPY, I'm going to be looking for my bearish entries. As you can see, like I told you, it's going to be automatically what we're seeing on the other side. It's trading bearish. AUJPY, as you can see, is going bearish. Which other one again? I think there are many other ones I've been introducing to you this week, since we can see the directional bias of the yen basket. Okay, but for the DXY, let's go straight to DXY. So I've been able to do a good top down on DXY. Haven't looked at what it's doing from the 1 week time frame. Let's look at that quickly. The network is a little bit slow. The network is a little bit slow. Trying to see how I can refresh it. So I just want us to quickly look at the DXY. I did a beautiful top down for DXY, looking at it from the 1 week time frame down into the entry time frame, and I just want to share that with you quickly. It's a round of this week's weekly analysis. Okay, so this is the 1 week time frame of the DXY. So as you can see, I already wrote my analysis findings. Sorry. So for the 1 week time frame, weekly time frame, looking at it, and it's showing me bearish. Okay, and then it was initially bullish, but it has rejected. It's going bearish now. Okay, so I'm going to change that. Actually, sorry. Network again. So for the 24-hour time frame, let me see if I can quickly refresh the network again. The network is quite slow today. So bearish for the 1 week time frame. So that is exactly what we did from the market structure. So we look at the 1 week time frame as day traders into the day trading time frame, which is 24-hour, and then into the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and that way we can now be able to understand the trend and the market direction of buyer. So this is the 24-hour time frame. So as you can see, it's bullish. Okay, so 1 week bearish, 24 hours bullish, and then 4-hour bullish. So that means we're going to be trading bullish as long as the two closer time frames are bullish. If the 24-hour is bullish and 1 week is bullish, we go what? Okay, 4-hour is bearish. Sorry, 4-hour is bearish. 24-hour is bullish. As you can see, is bullish. In that case, there is no clear directional bias. Okay, there's no clear directional bias. But if the 1 week is bullish, as you can see right now, it's actually bearish. But if it's bullish, then I'm going to find XY as bearish. Okay, sorry, as bullish. If the 1 week and the 24-hour is bullish, I'm going to ignore what the 4-hour is giving me. I'm going to be looking for bullish entries because these two higher time frames will have stronger power in moving the directional bias of the market. But if the 24-hour is bearish and as you can see right now, 24 hours is bullish, 1 week is bearish, 4-hour is bearish, there's no trade for Monday. Okay, so we're going to wait until we see a clear directional bias. That means the weekly live class Monday 1 p.m. plus 1 will be very, very instrumental, as that's where I'll be telling you exactly what to do with the dollar index. So if the dollar index maintains bearish as it's giving me already, then we're going to find, as you can see, GU is bearish, right? You can see there, bearish 1 week, bearish 24-hour, and bearish, I don't think it's bearish 4-hour, it's bullish 4-hour, or it's bearish 24-hour, bearish 1 week. That's weekly time frame. So I'm going to be going bearish in that case. So I'm looking for bearish entries. I'm not interested in buying GU, but that's when I have confirmed that DXY will be going bullish. Okay, until then, stay active for all the updates. As for silver, let's look at silver as we round up. So I'm done with Forex. So let's look at CFDs quickly. The talk is still a little bit slow. Just want to refresh it so it can be faster. So for silver, as you can see, it's bearish. Okay, though it's shifted here, so it's bullish for 4-hour. Let's look at the 24-hour. Bullish 4-hour. The network is a little bit slow. We may not be able to look at the synthetic because I've been trying to see how to get the network stable. It's almost affecting everything for today, but it's really not responding. I'm just trying to see how I can finish with CFDs, stocks, and commodities. So we leave the synthetic for the live weekly class, which will be 1 p.m. My apologies for today's network. It's been it's not been friendly. Okay, so my apologies. Whatever the issue is, I'm going to try and see how to rectify so that it does not affect new week's trade. So I think the network is on now. So silver is bullish 4 hour, bearish 24 hour. Let's see 1 week, bullish 1 week. So we are not going to trade silver, no directional bias, until when there is one close correlating time frame directional bias. So it's bearish, bullish 4 hour, bearish 24 hour, bullish 1 week, no trade. Okay, so until it correlates. So these are the researches, back testing, and a few things I did to correct the errors we'll be making, so that in the coming week we can do better. So I think this is all we'll take for today, since the network is really not permitting. So during the live weekly class, I'm going to show you US30. I'm going to show you yes, US30. What else again? Yeah, US30, and I'm going to show you crypto and the rest of it with the synthetics. See you. I hope with all that you've seen in this particular weekly analysis, you're ready to win this week. Don't forget, I'm going to be live 1 p.m. GMT +1, as you all know, Mondays, every Mondays. Okay, this Mondays is sponsored by Markets for You. Markets for You is the brokerage that we'll partner with directly, kfctrading.com, and I want you all to open an account with Markets for You. Okay, use that brokerage to trade. The spread is very affordable for you as a retail trader. Okay, the swap and unnecessary charges that other brokers charge you, you will not find it with Markets for You. So make sure you are creating an account today. You want to create an account, go to the description side of this video, go to the comment section and click on the link, create an account today, and you're going to be getting some amazing offers, amazing benefits just trading with Markets for You. Trust me, you will not regret creating an account. For those of you who need the proper account, get ready. 4 Traders is there for you. We're partnering also with 4 Traders, and for each account you create as a newbie, you're going to be getting 30% discount. So use the new 30 as the discount code on the discount side, and you will have a 30% discount. Now, if you want to create an account, the link is also on the description side of this video and also on the comment section. Create a link today and make sure you get on board, okay, and begin to enjoy the proprietary services of 4 Traders. Remember, I'm going to be live. See you during the weekly live session.